If you are wondering if we have dual app feature available on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer is yes. We do have the cloned apps option, which is available in settings. And in settings, we need to go to apps, and then over here we have the cloned apps. Unfortunately, this feature is honestly quite poor, simply because we can clone only selected apps, and of course you need to have these apps installed to actually find out if you can clone apps by using this feature or not. For example, WhatsApp count in here. I assume Facebook might be in here as well available, so you should be able to clone these apps quite easily. But as for any other app that is not supported in here, then unfortunately it is a little bit more difficult. There is an alternative that you can use, and that is the secure folder, because if you go to the secure folder, if you install any app inside the secure folder, you should be able to pretty much treat them as duplicated apps. So you can have Facebook or Instagram installed on your phone in the general, and then you can also install them again in the secure folder, and the data inside these apps of the secure folder, and they are not connected to the data of apps that we have outside of it. So this means that we can duplicate apps by using the secure folder, or at least we can treat the secure folder as a method that allows you to duplicate apps and use, for example, 2 accounts for the same app at the same time. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.